YouTube is always recommending you the same things again and again and again, or a lot of videos that you are really not interested in watching, let me show you in this quick tutorial how you can reset all of the YouTube recommendations for you. For the first step, you want to open your web browser with the account that you want to reset the recommendations of YouTube. In my case, it's going to be Google Chrome. Once you have it open, you want to go into YouTube, you want to click into your profile picture. And from here, you want to click where you see your data in YouTube. A new window is going to get open, and you want to scroll down. The first thing that you want to delete is your YouTube watch history. So you want to click where you see Manage your YouTube watch history. And in this new window, you want to click into Delete. And then you want to select Delete All Time. This is going to delete completely your watch history. And click into Delete. Now everything is deleted of your watch history, but we are not done. You want to go back and once more into this window, scroll down until you see the YouTube search history. And you want to click where you see Manage your YouTube search history, and normally with the previous step, it has deleted already also your search history. If not, you can delete it right here, the same way as we did it before. And now when you go into YouTube, all your recommendations are going to be gone. And you can start once more. And that is pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, tips, and everything else that I do right here. Thanks for watching, my friends. And like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.